Hello and welcome into the craft table at Sunny Miles Studio. I thought today I'd share with you what I've been up to. I've been having a lot of fun painting with watercolor and the paint sticks. And if you don't know what paint sticks are, they're it's tempera paint in a stick. And they dry super fast and super chunky, and they don't smudge once they're dry. You can do that as much as you want. But anyway, I've been exploring painting some Monet inspired designs, putting down a watercolor base and then going in with the paint sticks on top. And I thought they just turned out really cute for just some, when you need a blank note card for something. Or you could even add a sentiment. I thought, you could put something like that on there. I don't know, I was just exploring ideas, but anyway, I just thought I would share what I'm up to, even though this isn't a true watercolor project. A lot of people have been trying these paint sticks and thought I'd show you how they work. And they're super kid-friendly, like just because of the lack of mess and the ease of use. I think little kids would really enjoy these as well as the big kids. So what I was doing was I used a reference photo. I'm going to show you this one today. I used a reference photo, and I'm just trying to get the gist of learning how, just the layout of how Monet paints. And I like to use, and this is just mixed media paper, barely has any tooth. And I like this because it works well with especially the paint sticks. And I try to go not too watery with the watercolor. And I've been just using this is a watercolor pencil just to kind of sketch out the design before I lay down the watercolor. So it's just kind of sketching out. I don't know if this is even showing up that well, but where the lily pads are, and maybe where a flower will be. And this is light enough, and it's watercolor, so it will dissolve, so it won't cause any trouble when you go to paint. Just drawing some little ovals. I think I'll put the flower there. And I try to work in 3, like if I were to do my own design, it's good to have 3 of something. So I have 3 flowers. And let's see. So that gives me a good idea where I want to lay down some paint. And I was happy to finally find a good use for this opera pink that I have. It's super bright. I'll show you. See how bright that is? It's like neon. But I'm just using this kind of, you don't even have to be exact, just kind of going around where the lily pads will be. And the tempera paint sticks will go right over the watercolor, so you don't have to worry about if you go over where your crayon mark is. Excuse me, I need a sip of water here. So anyway, I just go around painting this pink. And eventually I end up with something, whoops. Wow. Card in the paint. Hang on a sec. Just get rid of that. Clean up that little mess. Anyway, then you're going to end up with something like this. And you want to make sure that's fully dry before you start adding the paint sticks. And the paint sticks for this one, see if I can, I just started with this color. It's kind of a blue-green, and they kind of squeeze out the, you turn the end just like a chapstick or a lipstick, and they actually kind of feel like that when you're coloring with them. I'm just making these ovals, just loose. That's the beauty of this medium. I don't think you can really go too wrong. And we're going to add lots of layers. Oh, sorry. Getting out of the frame here. Then I'm gonna go in with this light pink and draw where the flowers are gonna be. See how they're just so easy. And I feel this Monet type of painting is actually good for these because you can't be very precise with them. So this is actually a good design to use these for. Just adding a little pink at the bottom. Maybe a little purple. Blue. And then some white. You can smudge it in with your finger a little if you like. It dries pretty quick, but if you get to it right after you lay it down. Oops. And let's see. I gotta add some more green. I'm gonna use this kind of grass green and just do see. I think I will add some black like I did on this one. Just kind of went around the edges of the lily pads. I'm going to use this neon pink and just kind of add like kind of movement of like maybe like how the water is going by. Maybe a little purple around the edges. I don't know, you can just have fun with these. Just make a mess, and I think at the end it all turns out pretty good. The flowers are not standing out as much as I'd like them to, so I'm going to go back in and oops. add some color at the bottom of them. I will. There, that's a little better. What do you think? Do you like this design? Have you tried these paint sticks? A lot of people are trying them. I saw Emma Fave has a nice video out if you're looking to make like a bigger canvas. She was doing the Monet as well. It's fun that we can still learn from artists from long ago. There's a lot of mentors and teachers out there. Even the ones that are dead can still teach us beautiful lessons of art and movement and experimenting. So I hope you like seeing these and just seeing what I'm up to. Here's a couple others that I tried. Just trying to get the gist of what he was painting. And I'll use these to send to friends and family. So I hope you're doing well during this winter, especially if you're in the northern areas of the world. And I hope you're staying warm and well. And I'll look forward to painting with you again soon. Take care.